up, TR family? It's Tristan Reacts with another video. This one is a request from at Tracy Jane 2406, and Tracy has requested that we do another video from PITTA. This is live from the Universe concert, and this is him doing three songs: The Rain of Castamere, Smog, and Dandelion. I'm excited to hear what these are going to be. But first, please make sure we take care of these artists by doing all the amazing things you guys do every single day, to include buying their music, buying their merchandise, going to their concerts, whatever it is you guys do to support these guys. Please make sure you do that, and then do me a huge favor. Go down into that description area, take a look around, because there's a ton of stuff down there. Just like if you want to request a song, make sure you click on that link down below. And also, if you go down there, click on that link to get you over to PITTA's and for Stella's official YouTube channels. Go over to their channels, like, subscribe, and definitely drop a comment just saying, hey, I saw you guys over on Tristan Reacts. That would be amazing. And if you enjoy this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and also hit that like button down below, as both of those things truly do help us with the algorithms. And please don't forget to share this video. And as always, let's get into this. Wow, again, PITTA doing an amazing job, sounding fantastic. When he does that soprano voice, it is just crazy good. Then he's switching back over to his deeper voice, sounding fantastic. And I had no clue that this song was from Game of Thrones. Wow, I'm going to have to go back and see where that was from. But again, incredible job, sounding amazing. The orchestra sounds fantastic. My goodness, let's keep going though, because I definitely want to hear more.
You, and so he spoke, and so he spoke, then Lord of Castamere, and now the rain we pour his home, we know there to hear. Yes, now the rain we pour his home, and not a soul to hear.
And again, it is absolutely incredible how he can just go from his regular voice right up into this soprano voice, doing an incredible job, sounding amazing. And again, that band, or I should say that orchestra, sounds fantastic. I'm enjoying this. Let's keep going.
You carry me as before. You cherish me through storm. Closer to the light, the wind can say for sure. Following the sky will long. You can take all this time you want. For this time I will hold you storm. Cover in the skyline, dark night, make you weary. Fall us to the smog we earn to love.
Now he kicks into the second song called Smog. Again, doing a fantastic job using that amazing voice. And again, the orchestra sounding fantastic, seamless change into this song. I'm enjoying it. He's doing fantastic, so let's keep going.
We earn to love. You carry me as before. You cherish me through storm. Closer to the light, the wind can say for sure. Following the sky, we belong in I love you so. Standing the gray of this fall for your floor. Standing the gray of this fall your dream someone has you before. Or was this through the
Whoa, that was crazy. Someone is singing with him, and I can't tell who it is. So incredible job again. PITTA doing an amazing job with his vocals. Again, when he's in that lower voice, sounding so smooth and just doing a fantastic job. And then just effortlessly, boom, up to the soprano sounding fantastic, so smooth. My goodness. And then this orchestra sounding amazing. The piano kicked in. Holy cow. Incredible so far. Let's keep going.
Closer to the light, the wind can say for sure. Following the sky, we're longing for. Oh, a dream we've all seen before. A single brass whispers I need more. Forwards through the starlight, new light slowly close, sinking through the murky depths below.
Wow, I don't have a clue who was singing with him. At one point, I thought maybe it was the drummer back there, but I don't know who was singing with him, but it sounded fantastic. PITTA sounded amazing, and again, this orchestra doing a fantastic job. Incredible transitions between the songs. Holy cow. I think we're getting ready to start song number 3, Dandelion. Let's keep going because I definitely want to hear more. Wow, talk about an epic beginning to a song. Everything is just building to include the music. His voice sounds fantastic when he's doing his soprano voice again. Incredible job. Peta's an amazing artist, and the pianist is amazing too. All of them are. The entire orchestra doing a fantastic job. Wow. Let's keep going because I definitely want to hear more. Wow, again, incredible job. PETA sounding amazing. The music sounds epic, like I said, doing a fantastic job. The orchestra sounds fantastic. I'm loving the drums, the guy in the back, hitting the big drums, sounding fantastic. The piano sounding incredible. The violins sounding amazing. My goodness, all the way around sounding fantastic. Let's keep going because I definitely want to hear more. Again, Peter's voice, amazing, able to hit these extremely high notes, going with the music, but making it build, sounding fantastic. The lighting is amazing. The lighting is amazing. The orchestra is fantastic. My goodness. Let's take this sucker all the way to the end, guys. Wow, again, incredible job. PETA absolutely showing his abilities and how good his voice is, and then bringing in this epic sound of the orchestra to accompany him, sounding fantastic. It was all, in my opinion, amazing. Please let me know what you guys think. I would love to know your thoughts about PETA and these songs, The Rain of Castamere, Smog, and Dandelion. I thought he did amazing. I thought the orchestra was incredible, but please let me know what you guys think. And please don't forget to support these artists just like we talked about in the beginning of this video. So please make sure you're doing all those amazing things we talked about, to include going over to PETA's and for Stella's official YouTube channels, looking around their channels. If you enjoy the stuff they've got, please make sure you hit that like button and also share those videos, as that truly is an amazing way that we can support these artists. And I truly thank you for doing that. And to my TR family, just like Tracy Jane 2406, you guys are absolutely incredible. I am so blessed to have each and every one of you in this TR family, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the amazing things that you guys bring to this channel. Again, giving us great music, fantastic artists, and absolutely incredible comments. So thank you for all that you guys bring to this channel. And if you want to request a song, please make sure you look down in that description area, because there you will find the link so that you too can request a song using our form. And like I said before, as soon as you hit that submit button, boom, it automatically gets put onto our request list. So thank you again for doing that. And to those of you who have not subscribed, but you would like to become part of this TR family, we would absolutely love to have you. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below or hit that join button. Either way, you too could become part of this amazing TR family. And as I said before, peace out. I love you all. Catch you next time.